So you are on the market searching for the cheapest wireless microphone that you have on the market for your YouTube videos, but it have to be good. It have to have a good quality of sound. You can use whatever you want. And I'm using the Synco G2, and I'm going to put in test. I'm going to put next to my electric unicycle, I'm going to ride it, and we are going to see how is the sound coming through the t-shirt or when I put inside the helmet. And also we are going after on the studio, and I'm going to test it out against an expensive Rode microphone, a shotgun microphone, the most expensive from Rode, and see if it's good enough or not. If you want to know everything about this little guy, stay tuned until the end of the video. So at my side here, I have the new Synco G2. Is it good enough? We'll test it out now. So the microphone now is on the shirt, and I have already put the jacket. I'm not going super fast, it's just going until the end where is that tree and test it out. And by the way, there is some person just passing by, and there is a man on the back just having a discussion. So if you don't hear anything that is happening on the back, that is the good thing. And also in the same time, we are going to test out if you can really be away from it, and how is the quality of sound. I don't know. Like I said, I never really tested. This is the first time that I'm really testing outside the microphone. And oh, I forgot to take out the stand. How is the quality of sound? Now I'm testing out and I'm riding. Not really fast. Like I said, I'm not going super fast. But can you hear some noise? Can you hear the wind? Test it out. Obviously, when you are seeing this, the sound is added. And also there is something else that we'll talk if it's easy or not to edit sound. Because for example, when you try to edit the sound on the road, it's a pain. Going a little bit faster now and see how is the quality of sound. And obviously I'm going a little bit further away to see if there is. I could go even further away. This is the sound through the t-shirt. So now I'm going to put my helmet. So if you are a motorbike rider, you want to ride with your microphone there and see what is the quality of sound. And that is the way that I normally use when I'm on my electric unicycle. I have normally the microphone in here and see if the sound is good enough for you guys. Maybe now it's a little bit loud because obviously it's inside the helmet, but I'm not going to change anything about configurations. I tested out the configurations at my side and my home, so I hope that is going to be good enough. But for my voice, I found out that this is the best way. You also can basically low frequencies, and I didn't. So this is the sound inside the helmet. Tell me what is your thoughts about it. Is it good enough? Not sure. And now we are going once again, but a little bit faster, and see if we can hear some wind noise or not. Like I said, not really fast because I'm not fully protected, and I'm going to pass through the camera and let's test it out. If you can hear, is it good? Is it bad? So when we talk about this microphone and when we look to it, we can definitely see that it's inspired on the Rode VideoMic Go. It's very simple. The screen in bright light is not going to be very visible. So just to let you know, it's very easy to synchronize to the transmitter, to the receiver. Very easy. And here the button that you have on the top is the one that you are going to press if you want to basically turn off the low frequencies of your voice. I don't really see the point, and I don't really like it. When we talk about battery, I used at home the other day and I'm using today. I don't think that you are going to have battery for ages, at least on the one that is the transmitter. Another thing that you have with this is you have a mute button. So it was a bit confusing for me because when you press here, you can see that you have the signal of mute. So I was confused how I turn on this one. So after I press in there and it turns on, but you can also mute the microphone. So if you are saying something that you don't want that nobody will hear, you can just turn off your microphone and nobody will hear. And the good thing is, if you are basically having a talk between two persons and you don't want to interfere on the sound that is coming through your microphone, that will be a good thing, because this you can also pair with other ones. So you don't have to use it just with one microphone, but you can use multiple ones and they will go to the receiver. So definitely a pro that you have with this. And final is the price, and the price on this is quite cheap. I don't know when you are seeing this video what it will be the price Like I said, also you have the microphone on the top, but I don't really see the point. If you can put a lava mic, I recommend you to put the lava mic. You have this one on the back, so you can attach this wherever you want, on your shirt. Or it's also good that you have a microphone on top, so if you forget your lava mic, you are not running out of opportunities. When we talk about the receiver, and is this one, you can also connect here some headphones, so if you want to hear what is the sound that is coming through these ones, you are able to do it if someone is just filming out. And the controls here are very simple. Once again, turn on and turn off, mute, and the volume. And when you press the volume is basically your gain. So when you are there and pressing the gain, I put mine in +6, is the ones that I tried at home, and I thought that will be the best ones to use with my voice and the way that I connect the microphone. But now let's go to the studio and test it out if this one is good enough indoors, and compare it to my expensive microphone, my shotgun microphone from Rode. So now that we are here on the studio, I'm going to tell you a little bit more what comes in the box and what you can expect from this one, and also what is the comparison with the Rode microphone plus the top of the range from Rode. I really like this shotgun microphone, but in this room that I'm not able to change anything because it's not my house, that is a lot of echoing. So this microphone always have to be very, very close to my mouth. Many times for sure you saw it very close to me like this. But after I was a bit tired to have always the microphone in front of me, so I put it once again on the top. It was the best solution that I had. That's why I had also to change the camera from one place to the other. And now with this one, wherever I go, I can move around. So when we look a little bit closer, what comes with the Synco G2? And it comes this box that is to put your receiver, your transmitter, your cables, your lava mic, and other things that you want to put inside here. So you have some space, extra space, that you can definitely put other stuff. It comes with this cable, and the good thing about this one is 2 USB-Cs and a normal USB. So it means that with just one cable you can charge your receiver and your transmitter, so definitely a plus. Besides that, it comes with a dead cat that I don't know where it is, because I'm going to be honest to you guys, I really don't care, because I will never use in that way, because obviously having a lava mic connected, you are always going to have better quality of sound, and obviously your manual that is also somewhere that nobody wants to know about it. But now is the moment that I'm going to swap and put this microphone here, and we are going to see the difference of sound using the Synco G2 and the sound quality coming from a top of the range that costs more than 2 times the price of the Synco G2. So let's swap around. So now we are connected to the Rode mic microphone that is here on the top, and if you see me just moving around, the sound is different for sure. And you can decide for yourself if this small device that is quite cheap for what you can do, it's really worth it, comparing for example to the Rode mic microphone that I continue to love it, and now I think I will continue to use in certain situations, but maybe this will become my main microphone in the studio or even outside, because I'll be able to move around. A big disadvantage that you have when you use this type of microphone is that it's easier for you to hit your microphone and doing some noises, like it happens already in previous videos that I use this one. But with this one, it's more difficult because the microphone is in there, so for more than I move and I touch my clothes, and even if you have something on your neck, it's not going to really affect the quality of your sound. So that is something to have in mind when you are deciding if the Synco G2 is for you, or if you are searching for a different solution like the shotgun microphone from Rode. But basically this was to find you a cheaper solution to the Rode VideoMic Go. So this one is basically almost half of the price, or even half of the price, and you're going to have very good results. Let me know in the comments below if you have any comments. My name is Marco, this is MatPack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.